In this, I'll share with you a trending Thanksgiving niche that I think has the potential to go viral and get you a lot of sales this Q4. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch-on-demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that trending Thanksgiving niche, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand and for Etsy. So today is Monday, September 15th, 6:06 a.m. in the morning, and already got 10 sales for the day. So that was pretty cool to wake up to. Someone purchased 8 shirts and gave me a cool $27. But yesterday I had a big day, a good day. Ended up doing 39 sales and $157 in royalties. That's going to put me at 475 sales for the month and about $13 in royalties. And if we go ahead and take a look at my ads from yesterday, here we will see we are on my Amazon ads dashboard. And I have it selected date range September 14th, which was yesterday. And we can see here I spent $16, made 6 orders, and had a nice A cost of 14%. So some pretty good ad stats right here. A lot of times people think that you have to, or the only way you can get a lot of sales with ads, but you can see here, you know, I only got 6 orders from my ads. And if we minus that from this 39, I ended up doing 33 sales, you know, organically. And those sales probably brought me around like maybe $20 in royalties. So I was still able to do, you know, what is it? Oh, about $130 organically just from, you know, SEO and keyword optimization. Now let's go ahead and take a look at my Etsy stats. Now my Etsy stats are nothing really to brag about, especially as of late. Not really sure what's going on here, but yesterday I ended up only doing 2 orders. Usually I do at least like 6 or 7 a day, but brought in $30 in revenue. So I did 1 PNG sale and only 1 t-shirt sale, and that is going to put me for the month at a pretty dismal 776 in revenue. We can see that's down 59%. So I don't really know what's going on here. I did end up cutting all my ads because I'm just tired of spending, you know, $15 a day and just having that cut into my profit. So I'm just kind of waiting this month out because I know once we get to Q4, especially November and December, things usually really start to skyrocket. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 20 years. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the content of this video. So the other day I was doing some research for my school community like I always do, and I saw this niche, and I actually saw this niche right here a couple weeks ago, but I did not fully understand it, so I didn't really take it seriously. If I don't understand what a niche is, I'm not going to recommend it to my school community. But I ended up seeing a TikTok the other day kind of explain what this niche was or meant, and then I understood what it was and I felt like it was safe. So I ended up recommending it to my school community yesterday. If you don't understand what this niche is, you can just go ahead and pop it into ChatGPT. I do that a lot when I don't understand what a design is saying, but right here we can see FKF seems to be a playful, edgy phrase used in print on demand. It's kind of a parody or toned down F word with a crow or raven bird motif. You can go to TikTok and we can just watch this video right here so you can kind of understand. Let's take a look at this. It's actually kind of funny, to be honest.
Why is it so funny?
So you can see there's kind of making fun of the noise that a raven or a crow makes and kind of crossing shit with the F word. F off, so that's basically what it is right there. So that's the niche. And so every time I see a niche like this, it kind of gets my mind thinking, you know, like how can I go ahead and cross niche this niche with like anything that's trending in the news, maybe like an upcoming holiday. And right away I thought of Thanksgiving. I thought this could be perfect, basically switching out the crow or the raven for a turkey. And so what I did is I went ahead and I jumped on over to Merch Dominator and I went to the product search right here. I typed in FK turkey, sorting by newest, and right here we can see there's actually already some people that have jumped on this niche right here, but there's very little competition. There's only 49 results as of today, or as of the recording of this video. So it's basically F off with the turkey right here with like a kind of a surprised or weird looking expression on his face. So, this is the niche that I'm talking about right here. This is the niche that I think is going to kind of go viral or really start to trend here, especially for Thanksgiving. So you can definitely do a design like this where you have the text and the turkey, but I would take it a step further and try and think of other phrases that you can use for this. And so that's what I went ahead and did. I asked ChatGPT. I used my own kind of intellect or just experience that I've had on Merch on Demand for over 8 years. And what I did is I went ahead and I came up with 8 prompts or phrases, and you can go ahead and download those on my PayHip shops right here. 8 free Thanksgiving FKOF prompts. And let's go ahead and take a look at those because I have them for you here on Ideogram. So like right here, I went ahead and had like this one I actually came up with myself. So 0 gratitude. We know that gratitude or feeling grateful on Thanksgiving is a big niche for Thanksgiving, but I'm kind of doing like the opposite. Instead of saying like blessed and feeling grateful, it's saying 0 gratitude, F off. So I thought that was a funny one right there. Here is the next one, which is going to be 0 clucks given. Now, I don't know if this is trademarked or not, so make sure to double check, but we know that this is a popular phrase, 0 clucks given. You have the turkey and then F off, so another kind of funny one. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one. Eat, drink, and F off. Now, these last ones I got on ChatGPT, so you can go ahead and do the same thing. Maybe you can think of something maybe more creative than myself. Here is another one, gobble, gobble, F off. We know that this gobble gobble with the turkey sells very well. So we're just basically taking Thanksgiving niches that we know already sell well and just cross niching it with this trending phrase right now, which is F off. And here we got family drama, F off. I think that's another funny one because, Thanksgiving, all the families get together. Then we got Republican. So I did a kind of like a political spin on it. So you're a Republican, F off. Let me get my face out the way here. Try that again. Oh, come on, man. There we go. And now you can also do Democrat as well. Democrat or like liberal, F off. And then this last one right here is going to be not sharing your leftovers, F off. So, you can get creative with this, just think of things that people might not like, where you can basically, use the word F off after it. Now you might even be able to use this for other holidays, like maybe Christmas. I tried to think of ways to, do a spin on this for Christmas, but there's not really a Christmas bird. You do have the dove, but I did see some, like right here, you can just use the raven, but just put like Christmas lights on it, which I think I saw. So like right here, you can do something like this. We also have Hanukkah coming off. Maybe you can do something for breast cancer. That would definitely work. Actually just thought about that, breast cancer, F off. That could actually be a really good one because we see that type of language for the breast cancer niche. So just think of ways where you can take this trending design right now and cross niche it with upcoming holidays, whether it's going to be Thanksgiving, breast cancer, maybe even Hanukkah, Christmas, to get some sales. And again, you can download those for free on my PayHip shop. I'm even running a 3-day sale, 50% off. So I got like some Christmas prompts. If you go here to holiday prompts, I have even more Thanksgiving prompts. If we scroll down, like Halloween prompts, breast cancer prompts, Thanksgiving prompts, things like that. And then if you want to join my SKOOL community, basically it's a niche service where you get niches every day for both Merch on Demand and Etsy that come with prompts. So if you're interested, check that out. Just click on the link. You can watch the video. It will talk about who my SKOOL community is for and what you receive as a SKOOL community member. It's only $24 a month and you can cancel anytime. But that's going to be the video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.